Into it. But what are some of the other mega trends that you're seeing from the mobility side as well?
Yeah, I mean, really from the form factor perspective, you know, the old paradigm was kind of a one size fits all. You'd get a laptop and you just give it to all your workers, regardless really of what they were doing. What we're seeing now is certainly with what we do in the market space is it's a purpose-built device. So where a person in the past may have needed a handheld but was using a laptop, now that person can have a laptop. The other person who needs a tablet can have that tablet, and then the people who still need the laptops can have those. So we're seeing organizations now, instead of making a one-size-fits-all decision, they're making purpose-built decisions for each of the use cases for their workers.
And what does that enable an organization to do as well? Because if I think about it as well, so you say, all right, okay, for this execution we need a form factor like this. Can you just bring it to life a little bit, based on your experience? I mean, okay, you might not be able to mention any customers, but you can say that, hey, we were asked to build this and it solved this problem.
Yeah, so I think one of the immediate benefits to having technology like this is it allows the users to have that where the point of activity is, the point of service, to have access to all the critical information that they need at that time to do their job effectively. So in service organizations, you talk about time to first fix, fixing on the first call. Certainly in a utility type environment, you may be dealing with some sort of environmental hurricane, tornado, where you have literally power is down, water's out. So the critical need to have that person to get to the site as efficiently as they can, to have all the tools necessary to accomplish their mission or job at that point, is critical. Because as good as any application is, if they get to the site and they don't have access to the application's of no use.
Exactly.